From orchard to factory, distance is measured in care.
Line them up tight, strap them down.
Harvested almonds embark on the next stage of their journey. Precision begins at the moment of arrival.
Line them up tight, strap them down.
Harvested almonds embark on the next stage of their journey. Even at high volume, quality is never compromised.
Defective debris.
A gentle rinse begins the transformation. Drying prepares them for the heart of processing. Each bin enters the controlled environment with precision. Every batch is logged, ensuring traceability from orchard to bottle. Guided trolleys navigate the factory with surgical accuracy. Every batch is logged, ensuring traceability from orchard to bottle. Rotating drums separate impurities with mechanical precision. Water washes away dust and light debris, leaving only the nut itself. Air currents refine the harvest, removing the unwanted. Air currents refine the harvest, removing the unwanted. Even in an automated system, human eyes are invaluable. High-speed cameras catch imperfections invisible to the eye. Uniformity is essential for the perfect almond milk. Even the smallest foreign objects are removed before processing. Drying ensures they are ready for shell cracking. Organization keeps the flow smooth and efficient. Every almond is guided toward the machine that unlocks its potential. Precision machinery separates shell from kernel, preserving quality. Precision machinery separates shell from kernel, preserving quality. Only the pure almond kernels continue forward. From orchard to cleaned kernel, the journey now enters the heart of production. The almonds begin their transformation, ground to release their flavor. Flowing toward the mixer, each batch is ready for the next stage. Water and almonds merge in precise ratios to form the base of almond milk. Careful heating ensures safety and smooth texture. High-pressure homogenization guarantees a silky, uniform milk. Precision blending enriches the milk with nutrients and flavor. A second heat treatment ensures the milk is safe and ready. Filtration removes every remaining particle for a perfectly smooth finish. Stored and stabilized, the milk is ready for its final refinement. Every batch is engineered for consistency and perfection. High-tech lines ensure both speed and quality at massive scale. Samples are taken at every step to guarantee perfection. From kernel to liquid, the almond milk is now ready for refinement and enrichment. Flavors are carefully blended to delight every palate. Texture and creaminess are perfected with every pass. Fortification guarantees that each bottle is nutritious as well as delicious. Controlled cooling preserves freshness and flavor. Controlled cooling preserves freshness and flavor. Every batch is tested to ensure perfect taste. Final blending unites all elements into a uniform, smooth almond milk. Sanitized pipelines carry milk safely to its next stage. Prepared and stable, the almond milk awaits its transformation into consumer-ready bottles. Every drop is continuously monitored for quality. Every drop is continuously monitored for quality. Precision flow control ensures consistency across thousands of bottles. Final checks safeguard every batch before packaging. Sterile bottles await the almond milk that will fill them. The almond milk is now fully prepared, ready for the precision of automation. Every bottle is sealed with precision, ensuring freshness. High-speed automation ensures consistent branding on every bottle. Robotic precision transforms individual bottles into ready-to-ship units. Advanced vision systems guarantee every bottle meets exacting standards. Advanced vision systems guarantee every bottle meets exacting standards. The almond milk now flows seamlessly into the warehouse, ready for dispatch. Every bottle finds its place, forming neat trays ready for dispatch. Precision stacking ensures that each pallet is strong and stable. Aligned and organized, the almond milk is now ready for rigorous quality checks. Every batch is rigorously tested to ensure safety and perfection. Precision inspections guarantee that only flawless bottles leave the line. Stacked and organized, the almond milk awaits its journey to consumers. Careful handling ensures every pallet reaches its destination intact.
All right, bring it in steady. Looks good. Secure it.
From factory floor to highways, the journey continues worldwide. Every bottle is on its way, bringing fresh almond milk to consumers around the globe.
From orchard harvest, almonds begin their journey, transported to facilities for cleaning and processing, enriched and sorted by automation.